We were talking about saving your file as a HTML file. You can use Dreamweaver or Composer or Notepad, etc. for creating your HTML file. It doesn't have to be in Word. It just some people are not very comfortable working directly with HTML. But if you are, by all means, go ahead and use one of these programs to make it. It's going to make a lot cleaner code than Word does. That's for sure. And also if you don't want to even mess around with HTML at all, go back to the MobiPocket.com site and remember there was a listing there of companies and individuals that will do the HTML for you, do the formatting for you. And it's really not that expensive. It's like $100, maybe $200 for them to do it. You're not talking a lot of money. I guess it depends on the complexity of your book, if you have a lot of images and so on. But, it's not expensive at all to do it. And also, a lot of you guys have PDF files that you don't have the source to, or the doc file or something like that. Especially if you want to use like some PLR stuff that you bought 5 years ago that's been hanging around on your computer for collecting dust. That you want to use that PDF file now to make a short, quickie Kindle product to promote your main product, which is what I do a lot. I do a lot of that on Kindle. I make these short little products that are actually promos for my main products. Like what we're going to do later on today, you're going to see is me uploading a promo for my main product. So this product will be a cheapy product that I'm doing today, probably in the $1.99 range, or $2.99 range. But it's really there to promote my more expensive products, my $20 products, my $30 products, etc. So let's keep going on. I'm going to assume in this rest of this video that you're going to be using Word. You certainly don't have to. You could skip the rest of this video if you want. But the first thing I want to talk about, a lot of people don't make a clickable table of contents. And that's very important. In Word, to create yourself a table of contents as you would normally. And then let's use an example, say chapter 3 as an example. Using your mouse or keyboard, select the words chapter 3 on your table of contents list. Click on the insert menu and select hyperlink, or you can press Control K. In the hyperlink box, choose to add a link within the current document. Now you'll need to add some bookmarks before you insert the hyperlinks. Scroll your document to the place you want the link to go and place your cursor at the beginning of the paragraph. Go to the Insert menu and select the bookmark. In the bookmark box, enter a name for your bookmark, for instance, Chapter 3, and then press OK. Now use this same process for the rest of the table of contents, and also you could use the same process if you want to create an index to the correct places within your interior document. Images, you insert them as you would regular, and then just when you have the document looking the way you want it to look, click on Save As, and then Save as an HTML document. That's about it. Now go ahead, go over to the MobiPocket.com site and download the MobiPocket Creator. And in the next video, we'll talk a little bit about that. Alright, you went ahead and you downloaded the Moby Pocket Creator from mobypocket.com. Go ahead, load up the program onto your hard drive, and then open it up, and this is what you're going to see. This is the screen you'll see. On the left-hand side, there's a lot of stuff there that you really don't have to concern yourself about. This piece of software was created a number of years ago, and a lot of the stuff on here is like really outdated. So don't even worry about what's on that side. What you are going to be using is on the right side of the screen where it says import from existing file. Now you've either created an HTML document or an MS Word document in doc format. You don't want it in text document, and you don't want to import a PDF document. Those just don't come out formatted correctly. So either have an HTML or a MS Word document ready. We're going to use, I have my stuff in an HTML document, so I'm going to use that. But the interface for either one, it really doesn't matter. Go ahead, click on the MS Word document, and this is what you see. This is the MS Word import file wizard. Really very easy. Just browse for your file, for your doc file, for your interior of your book. Everything else you can keep in the default settings, and then just click on import, and the meter below will show the progress of the import. Very easy. Okay, so I went ahead and uploaded my HTML document with the HTML document import file wizard. Yeah, it's the same as the MS Word, so nothing changes. Just choose the file, leave everything else, and then click import. So that's about it for that. Next we're going to look at how you add images or cover title and the metadata. Click on the star home icon, and that will bring you to this page. Now these are all your publication files, or you could reach it by accessing, clicking on publication files. From here we want to add a cover image for the book. So go ahead and click on that, and it'll bring you to a new page where you can import your image for your cover image. Very simple. Just browse for your file and click on upload. Okay, you got your cover image up, so you're all set there. On the left hand side there's a link there for table of contents, but we're not going to use that here. You already made your table of contents with MS Word or Dreamweaver or whatever you use to create your HTML file. So it's kind of cumbersome to do it here, so do it in a different program. Don't use this. Book settings, you can leave that in the default position. Next you want to hit on the metadata link. This is a very important area here. Think about keywords. Think about what people would look for to find your book on Amazon.com. So make sure you get your keywords in your title. Put in the author's name, the publisher, language, and it also has a description area there that's very important also, because that description area will also be on Amazon's description for your product page. So that is very important. Do a lot of thinking about this. Include all your keywords that people might look for when they're looking for something in your field. Okay, you got everything set. You have your interior files uploaded. You got your cover image done. Your book metadata tags, I'm sure you put a lot of thought into those, and you got them all in line. Now go to the top of the page, and in the navigation there, click on Build, and you'll see this page come up. The compression options you can leave the same, leave them at standard. Encryption options, this is where you have to do a little thinking. If you want your material encrypted so that no one else can use it, or your customer can't transfer your files to another machine or give it to his friend. On products like this that are mainly for to promote my main products, I always select no encryption. But on my main products, I usually encrypt them so that they're not given away freely and not passed around as freebies. So make that choice. If you want no encryption, you definitely don't want to use the password, and click on the bottom box there, content encryption with DMR rights, if you don't want the file to move around. So go ahead, click on Build, and watch the meter bar go up to 100. That's with any kind of luck, of course. Okay, everything looks good. Build is finished. There's a couple of options here on this final page here to preview it in the Moby Pocket Reader emulator, or the Moby Pocket Reader for PC. I don't even do it here, but you're going to have a chance later on to pick which file came out best for you when we go to the digital text platform over at Amazon. So just go ahead and click on Open Folder Containing ebook, click on OK, and you're all done. Your file will be your book's name .prc. It's a .prc file that you're going to be uploading to Amazon Digital Text. Okay, we'll get into that in the next video. So there's Moby Pocket for you.